review.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome to the world of dragons. Well, you might be wondering where the dragon is. I'll show you. See? This is the dragon. Can you see it? Like, I'm sure you can see it. It's right
I
here.
have something for you. I'm not a dragon. I'm Adon.
Of course it's a dragon. Look, it's even flapping its wing. And its other wing is trying to fly. That's just Arjun. It's just Arjun. This right here is the real dragon.
Let's open it.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see what Toothless looks like.
I didn't eat it.
Look at Toothless.
If you touch it's fake.
Yeah, and it's not just black like originally. It also has blue and purple on it.
The star in his face.
Yeah, look at his face. It's so different. Whoa. What happened to Toothless's tail? Nothing. It's just right here. You have to fix it on. We fixed the tail and it's all set to do some blasting. So we have two blasters here and this like bottle-like pipette. And first what we have to do is take the pipette and suck some water into it. And then what we have to do is take this lid off right here. Where all we have to do is fill this pit with water. And Arjun, you can fill it up. Toothless is ready to breathe fire.
Yeah.
So to breathe fire, you have to press on its left ear.
Yay!
Look at the blue fire. It looks like smoke and the spikes on its back glow. After filling the tank, you have to open up the mouth and put a dart inside. Just like that, and then close the mouth. Oh my gosh! Did you see that? It opened up, some smoke came out, and the dart's like, it went like super fast. Put another dart in there. Look at that blaster come out with the fire like that. It came out super fast, like super. It's like fire coming out like that. And then it closes its wings. We'll watch this one more time. Let's see that one more time. Just flying dragon. I can watch this blue fire for like a long time without stopping.
I can watch you.
And then it closes its wings and opens them back up and fly. Woo, and does a backflip in the mid-air and then zoom.
It's coming down.
With a dragon breath.
Let us see how it looks like in the dark.
Oh my gosh, it looks so awesome.
In this view, it looks like a shark skeleton. And an anaconda.
Oh my gosh! Its eyes are like completely black and it's blue. It looks like an anaconda just jumping out of nowhere. It looks so awesome.
Huh?
Oh yeah! Here I am.
Oh,
Tell us in the comment section below how you felt about our Night Fury.
thank you for watching.
Hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and also turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any new updates.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. See you soon with another awesome video. Bye. Why is this in this way?
I have something to tell you. No. Flip. No, do it.
I'm gonna flap away.
Flip. That's how you do it.
To have more entertainment, please click on one of these videos.